Have you ever been to a rave or music festival such as Ultra and wondered what everyone's on? Most likely, these people were on Molly, which is a derivative of ecstasy, and it seems to be the new party drug. The term Molly refers to MDMA in powder or crystalline form. Most of the time, the powder is put into a capsule that a person can take. Molly tends to induce feelings of euphoria, a sense of intimacy with others, and can eliminate anxiety. Taking Molly can have both long term and short term effects on a person. Many people may ask, what exactly is Molly and why are we just hearing about it now? Molly, which is short for molecule, is considered to be pure MDMA, unlike ecstasy, which is usually laced with other substances such as caffeine. The Drug Enforcement Administration, also known as the DEA, considers Molly to be a Schedule 1 controlled substance, which means that it is illegal. Since Molly is a Schedule 1 substance, that means it has a high potential for abuse and there is no accepted use in medical treatment. Due to the low cost of Molly and its availability, the amount of people using it is rising at a rapid pace. Many music artists are also speaking about Molly and singing about Molly in their songs, making their listeners and their fans more aware of the drug and maybe wanting to try it. Just this past month at Ultra Music Festival in Miami, Madonna received a bunch of backlash after she got on stage and asked how many people in this crowd have seen Molly. A lot of people thought that she was promoting the drug and that it was just unnecessary. Also, one song lyric even states, "Popped a Molly, I'm sweating, woo." Sweating is just one side effect that comes along with taking Molly. There are both long term and short term effects that go along with taking Molly. There are psychological and physiological short term effects when taking Molly. Some of the psychological short term side effects are that a person may feel anxiety, paranoia, depression, irritability, fatigue, impaired attention, focus, and concentration. Some of the physiological short term side effects are that a person may feel dizziness, have a loss of appetite, have insomnia, exhaustion, or aches and pains. Along with the short term effects, there are also long term effects that go along with taking Molly. Some of the long term psychological effects of taking Molly are that a person may feel disoriented, agitated, they might have hallucinations, or they might have cognitive and memory impairments. Some of the long term physiological effects a person may face when taking Molly is having muscle rigidity, hyper or hypotension, having severe chest pain, cardiac arrest, severe hypothermia, renal failure, or a loss of consciousness. Due to its euphoric feeling and long lasting high, Molly is extremely addictive. Dependence happens when the body has adapted to the continued presence of Molly in the system and presents withdrawal symptoms once you stop taking it. There are several indicators of a person being addicted to Molly. If a person needs to take Molly in order to maintain normal functioning, if a person is disrupting their life to take Molly, if they are craving the drug, or if they are making excuses and rationalizing their use of Molly in order to continue taking it, that person is most likely addicted to Molly and should seek help for their addiction before it gets any worse. Molly addiction treatment typically can range from 30 to 90 days on depending on the person, how long they have been addicted, and depending on their progress in the treatment. During this treatment program, people who are overcoming their addiction to Molly will attend group counseling, individual therapy, and 12-step recovery meetings to learn new coping and life skills needed to remain drug-free. Overall, a person should stay away from Molly at all costs because it is a very dangerous drug. Since Molly is considered to be MDMA, it is more dangerous than ecstasy. It is also a Schedule 1 controlled substance, which means there is a high potential for abuse and that it is illegal. Many of the side effects a person will face can be painful and dangerous. To avoid getting addicted to Molly, a person should just stay clear of the drug. Just remember that any drug you put into your body will harm you in some way or another, and you do not need to be on Molly in order to have fun at a rave or music festival.